Hi dears, welcome to 3 Hours Creations. Realize the reality. TNCERT New Syllabus, 10th Standard Mathematics, Chapter 1 Relation and Functions, Cartesian Product, and this is part 3 video. Cartesian product with an equal set. What is equal set? Two sets are said to be equal if they contain exactly the same elements, otherwise they are said to be unequal. That is, in equal set, the set must have same number of cardinality and the elements must be exactly the same. Cartesian product with equal sets. Let's consider this two set. A and B has the exactly same number of elements, so the set is equal. So cardinality of Cartesian product of A and B, to find it, n of A is 2 and n of B is 2, n of A cross B, that is 2 into 2, 4. So there are totally 4 possible outcomes in this Cartesian product of A and B. Now let's see how it's paired. 1 is paired with 1 and 2 and 2 is paired with 1 and 2. So A cross B, 1, 1, 1, 2, 2, 1, 2, 2. And B cross A also we can find similarly. Then we can see A cross B and B cross A has this 4 ordered pairs, and the pairs also equal. That is, the elements in A cross B and elements in B cross C both are same, exact. So n of A cross B is equal, that is cardinality is equal, as well as A cross B equal to B cross A. That is, commutative property is true for only in case of equal set. Graphical representation of Cartesian product with equal set. A cross B, which is found already and represented on the graph. So we got a square shape. When we plot the points of equal set, we will get a square shape, and also in equivalent set we will get square shape. In unequal set we will get a rectangle shape. Now B cross A, which is also plotted on a graph. So again we got a square. See, both the squares is between in horizontally 1, 2 and 1, 2, and here also 1, 2, 1, 2. Both the pictures are same, congruent and exact. So the sets has commutative property, that is true for A cross B and B cross A in equal set. So commutative property is true for only in case of equal sets. Cartesian product with 3 sets. Cartesian product with 3 different sets. That is, if A, B, C are 3 non-empty sets, then the Cartesian product of 3 sets is the set of all possible ordered triplets given by A cross B cross C, that is equal to curly bracket open, round bracket open, A, B, C, round bracket closed for all A belongs to A, B belongs to B and C belongs to C, then curly bracket closed. So in Cartesian product, that is, if it is 2 sets or 3 sets, the sets must be non-empty. In case of non-empty set, the Cartesian product will become an empty set. Cartesian product of 3 sets. Let's consider these 3 sets. A, B, C has exact number of elements, so they are equal set. To find the Cartesian product of 3 sets, that is A, B, C, first we need to find the Cartesian product of any 2 sets, later we need to find with third set. If it is in order A cross B cross C, we need to find the Cartesian product of A cross B, later we need to find A cross B's Cartesian product with C. If it is unequal set, order is very important. If it is equal set, we can take any order because exact number of elements and exact numbers. To find Cartesian product of A and B, let's see cardinality of Cartesian product of A and B. N of A is 2, N of B is 2, N of A cross B is 2 into 2, that is 4, which is represented in arrow diagram with 0 and 1. 1 is paired with 0 and 1. Now A cross B is 0, 0, 0, 1, 1, 0, 1, 1, which is a square since the sets are equal. Cartesian product of three sets A, B, C. Already we found Cartesian product of A and B in previous slide. So we got 4 ordered pairs. So cardinality of A cross B has to find with cardinality of C to find the possible outcomes. N of A cross B is 4, N of C is 2. So we have 8 ordered pairs. It is A cross B cross C is equal to 0, 0, 0, 1, 1, 0, 1, 1, and set C 0, 1, which is represented in arrow diagram, and 0, 0 is paired with 0 and 1, and 0, 1 is paired with 0 and 1, 1, 0 is paired with 0 and 1, then 1, 1 is paired with 0 and 1. We got Cartesian product of A cross B cross C, which is a 3-dimension. We got a cube. Cartesian product. Cartesian product is a singleton set. It is 1 dimension. We will get a line segment. Cartesian product with 2 equal sets, that is 2 dimension, we get a square. Cartesian product with 3 equal sets, we will get 3 dimension, that is cube. If it is unequal set, that is 2 sets, we will get a rectangle. If it is 3 unequal sets, we will get a cuboid. Thank you for watching this. If you like, please subscribe this channel.